So we have this table from our previous video where we have a table row with some table data cell, serial number, month, and expenses. Then in the following table rows, we have some serials, months, and expense list. So we can make this table better with the TH tag. TH stands for table heading. So this serial number cell, this month cell, and this expenses cell is a heading actually. Instead of this TD tag, we use the TH tag, opening TH, then closing TH, and save the file. You can see the serial number text is in bold letters. So as these are headings, we can wrap them inside the TH tag. So these feels like these are headings. So I'm gonna make the second TD to TH, closing TH, save the file. You can see the month text is in also bold letters. We can make the third TD to TH, save the file. You can see the expenses text is in also bold letters. Now this looks nice, and we can also make these serial numbers in bold so it looks nice. So for that, I'm gonna change this TD to TH, closing TH, save the file. You can see the one is in bold letters and it is aligned to the center of the cell. I'm gonna leave those two TDs as it is, and I'm gonna make this TD to TH. Save the file. You can see the 2 is in bold letters and aligned to the center. I'm gonna leave these two TDs as it is, and I'm gonna make this TD to TH, closing TH, save the file. You can see the 1, 2, 3, these 3 decimal numbers in bold character or bold letters. So now the table looks more beautiful.